Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Kraken account to your local bank account. So let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is jump into our Kraken account. We are going to see this at our home page, and what you want to look for here is sell, because you need to sell your cryptocurrency and convert it back into the currency of your country or region. Make sure over here that it says sell at the top. That's what's selected. You will now also select your cryptocurrency. In my case, I'm going to transfer Ethereum, and then you are going to add the amount or the value that you would like to sell. Go ahead and click on review. Over here, you will have a chance to review your sell order. And once you're done, you are going to click on confirm at the bottom. Right, so you may need to refresh your browsing page. And once you've done so, you'll see right at the bottom it says cash, and you'll see the actual cash amount. The next thing we need to do now is tap on the withdraw button right over here. Over here, you will make sure that it says withdraw up at the top. And over here, you are again going to select the crypto that you are wanting to withdraw. So at the top where it says Bitcoin, we are going to change it to our currency of choice. Now, choosing a payment method can be tricky depending on what region you're in and how much you're transferring. So make sure that you understand all the transfer fees and availability of all of the options here. Once you've chosen your withdrawal method, you're going to go and add a withdrawal amount. And once you're done, you are going to tap on continue at the bottom of this page. You'll now have the opportunity to finally confirm your withdrawal. You will also see all of your details, including withdrawal amount and the fee that you will be paying for this withdrawal. Once you've done that, you can click on confirm withdrawal and you're done.